channel. My name's Coy. I appreciate you guys tuning in today. Taking a break today from Mopar, and we're going to talk about some GM stuff real quick. While I am a big Mopar fan, I do like to keep track of what other manufacturers are doing, and I have nothing against GM. If I wasn't driving Ram or Dodge products, GM is pretty close to where I would want to be. I've always had an affinity for the Silverado. I always wanted an Avalanche, which I never got around to buying before they discontinued them. And I'm also a fan of the Tahoe and Suburban. So I do keep pretty close eyes on what GM is doing. And I was reading this morning on Motor1.com that the Fastlane truck, which is a YouTube channel that I also watch some from time to time, they have some good videos on there. They received an anonymous letter that was sent to sales managers and dealerships about a supply shortage that was causing the 3-liter LM2 Duramax diesel engine to not be available for this coming model year. They cited a last-minute supply shortage with few details offered, and were told to push the 5.3-liter and the 6.2-liter V8 options ahead of that Duramax diesel option. Now, this is kind of a big deal if you're looking for a diesel engine in a number of Chevy products. That engine is offered as an option in the Chevy Silverado, the Tahoe, the Suburban. It's offered in the Cadillac Escalade. It's offered in the GMC Yukon and the Sierra. So it is a big deal. It is still, Motor One does state that it is a rumor at this point, that it's not proven that that's going to be the case, and it is still available on the websites for those car manufacturers if you are trying to place an order for one. But as of August 27th, a letter was sent to dealerships, according to the tip from the Fastlane truck, that was going to be the case. Now, no details were given about why there was going to be such a sudden supply shortage, but it can only be wondered if it's got something to do with COVID. That seems to be the thing about these days. You can't get anything you want and ready supply because of chip shortages or supply shortages because of COVID. If you're a car nut like me, or even video games like PS5 and Xbox Series X have been out for almost a year now, and you still can't just go down to your local Best Buy or Walmart and buy one. So it's not really a surprise that that GM's having supply shortage issues with that engine. But last month, Mercedes announced they weren't producing any V8 engines for the upcoming model year for supply shortages, and who knows? I'm just hoping that, you know, COVID goes away soon and life can get back to normal. You know, diesel engines get better fuel efficiency than gas engines do, so it'd be nice to have those options for folks. If you're paying for 93 octane, and diesel prices are much cheaper, so it's always a good option to have, and let customers have that option of choosing a diesel engine over a gas engine. But as of right now, that seems to be the case. Again, this is rumor, reported by Motor1.com, citing an anonymous letter that was sent to the Fastlane truck. Check out the Fastlane on YouTube. They have a Fastlane truck and the Fastlane car and a few other variants on that name. The first time I ever saw the Daytona edition, the 50th anniversary of the 2020 Dodge Charger, which I ended up later buying, was because of their website. I'd never seen it before. I didn't know that Dodge was producing a Daytona in a Hellcat with a Hellcat engine, and they did it for 1 year, and I knew that because of their YouTube channel. So check them out. I'll link them down in the description below, as we'll also link Motor One's news story as well. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.